Hey guys, what's up? I've seen a lot of people on YouTube and Facebook and stuff commenting like on my videos or commenting on something I've posted in a group or something, and a lot of them are saying they're afraid to get into the DVD, CD game market. They don't know enough about it, but really, there's nothing to know. I mean, all you have to do is take your phone, scan it, and check your comps and just scan 1,000 things. I mean, if you scan 1,000 things and you find 10 that are worth good money, it was worth doing. Uh, here's a little stuff I'm going to show you today. I ended up buying a collection of about I don't know, probably about 70 the other day. I paid like $50 for them. Basically, I bought 50 sealed ones for $50, and the guy had like 20 unsealed ones that he wanted $1 a piece for too, and I told him I just didn't want them. And he said, "Here, I'll just give them to you." So I ended up getting like 70 some for about $50. And all these are put on. I put all these on eBay now. Some of them that weren't worth the eBay, I put them on my store already. I priced about 600 DVDs, and they're all going to Peddler's Junction in the morning. So let's get at it. Let's show you what we have. This movie here, Princess and the Barrio Boy. I've never seen it before. I've been dealing in movies since the early 90s. So, like I said, if I see something like this sitting there, I've been doing it long enough that I know this is probably a rare movie, might be out of print, because I go through millions of movies a week. I look through all kinds of movies like other people's stores trying to find the rare stuff. But anyway, this I have on eBay right now for like $26.99. Never heard of it. It has Pauly Shore in it. But like I said, here's some more stuff. Picked up a couple sealed copies of Mr. Wonderful. I have those on for like $10 a piece. Navy SEALs and Red Dawn, I put that on for $10. What was it? For the Love, Money, Michael J. Fox, put that on for $10. And when you think about it, if you only have $1 in it, and actually I have less than $1 after he gave me the like 20 freebies, but if you only have $1 in it and you're selling it for $9.99, it's going to cost $2.80 to ship, and you're going to have what, maybe $1.20 in fees. So it might cost $5 for shipping and fees and stuff, your mailing label and stuff like that, and your padded envelope. So you're going to have $5 cost in it. So you're going to make $4 or $5 like every $10 one you sell. So I don't mind doing that. It takes literally 10 seconds to scan it and put your things on it. And it takes about 10 seconds to find it and put it in a padded envelope and send it out. Basically, there's no time. So it's $4 or $5 for nothing. Got this Mighty Ducks for $10. It was sealed. Nobody's Fool. I think I have that on there for $8.99. Price of a Broken Heart. I can't remember what to have that. I think it's like, this one was like 15 or 20 bucks, I think. Missing in Action 2 and 3. I have that for $11.99. The Negotiator I have for $8.99. The Woolly Boys I have for $9.99. Short Circuit I have for $9.99. This Walking Across Egypt, this I have on for $24.99. It's a harder one to find. It's out of print. So when you think about it, I might get half of my money back out of that one DVD. Like I said, we still have a whole pile here. The Soap Dish I have for $11.99 on there. When Husbands Cheat, never heard of it, never seen it. I think it's either $24.99 or $29.99. Can't remember which one, but it was like $25, $30. I just sold this one. You'll see that later on in my What Sold video. I think I sold it for $12 or $13.99. My Stepmother's an Alien. We have this on for like $18.88. Police Academy 4. I never see this movie, let alone sealed. Nuts, I think I have on for $19.99. That's another one I don't see very often. See, when he brought him in, I could tell like some of these I hadn't seen in a long time, so I thought they'd be worth some money. That's why I didn't mind paying them $1 a piece. No Higher Love, I think it was only like $8.99. It has Katie Seagal in it. Video Voyeur, have it on for $9.99. Elf on a Shelf, I think I only have like $7.99 on it. Picked this up at Peddler's Junction the other day for 50 cents, and I have it on for $18.99 or $19.99. Like I said, anything sealed, I look up no matter where I am. If I'm at the Goodwill, if I'm at, you know, flea market, video store, anything, if it's sealed, you know, I pick it up. Like I picked this up in a lot of 650 DVDs off a guy. I bought 650 box sets and DVDs, and I paid him 220 bucks. I looked this up. It was sealed. I didn't even realize it was sealed. I just didn't even look at the stuff, you know, I bought, because it was so cheap. I needed it for the store anyway. So I have this on sale for $17.99. So yeah, it's going to pay for a lot of what I bought. Driving Miss Daisy I have up for $11.99. Some Like a Hot triple pack in the Misfits. It's got two Marilyn Monroe movies. I don't think the first one is a Marilyn Monroe movie, but this I have for $14.99. Triple pack of I Meet the Parents, or Meet the Parents. $14.99 I have. As you can tell, you can see how all this stuff adds up. Like I said, basically I have about, you know, 50 bucks tied up in all this. You know, Metro, I think I have $17.99 on. I hardly ever see that movie come anymore. Prison of Secrets, I think I have that up for $19.99. There's an old Stallone movie I never see come in anymore. I don't have any even used ones come in my store. Paradise Alley, I believe this one I have up for like $13.99 right now. Necessary Parties. This has got Mark Paul Gosselaar from Saved by the Bell and Alan Arkin. It goes for $19.99. Miss Firecracker, I think I have that for $14.99. With Honors, I think it's up $9.99. I think I just sold this too. This was $18 or $19.99. I think this just sold today. So like two of these just sold today. I just listed them last night. So I was bringing them down here to the office, and I thought, you know, I need to shoot a video, because people ask me all the time, you know, how can I get into this? Here's how you do it. Find every sealed one you can and just scan the sealed ones. If you don't want to take the time and scan the whole section, just find your sealed ones, because your sealed ones are where the money is. I mean, like this, if this was used, basically it's worth maybe $2 or $3. But now that it's sealed, it's worth $10. So I mean, $10 is worth your time. You know, $2 is not worth your time. So like I said, just scan all the sealed ones. Scan the sealed DVDs, the sealed CDs. I find tons of sealed CDs at Goodwills and stuff. Here's a Perfect. I never have this come in either, so I knew it was going to be a good one. I think I have it up for $19.99 right now. It was Jamie Lee Curtis and John Travolta movie. This has Kari Wurler, I think is her name, or she used to be on Remote Control on MTV back in the day. But I never seen this movie like ever, and it was sealed. It only goes for like $11 or $12.99, but I thought it would be more. I think Necessary Roughness was like around $10. Marked for Death, I think, was like $11.99. To Jillian and her 39th birthday, I believe this was $29.99. Meet Wally Sparks was $9.99. I hardly ever see that movie new. I think I've only had one used copy in it in the past 3 years. I was surprised that wasn't worth more. Time to Say Goodbye, that was either $15 or $20. Some of these, like, if it's really older and obscure looking, even if you see a used one and it's kind of an older, obscure title that you've never seen before, especially if it's like horror, I would pick it up and try to scan it and see what it goes for. Like, I knew this was a good one. This was like one of his few used ones that he had in there. And this movie Jocks, and this movie Tommy, I think it's Tomboy. I never see these movies ever. And My Tutor, I never see this movie ever either. I did have these before on single packs, like they're individual movies, and I sold them for like 20 or 30 bucks a piece. So I knew this 4-pack was going to be good, because I never see this one either. And like I said, the singles did well, so I knew this would do well. So this movie here I have used for $34.99 right now on eBay. So, like I said, if you see something weird and obscure, make sure you scan it. Even like this. I mean, this was probably put out at Walmart at one time, but it's been out of print for 10 or 15 years probably. Found a sealed Disney movie. Was it Pollyanna? But I have that on eBay right now for $14.99. And then, okay, these are some CDs that I put on. I actually learned a few things about some CDs. Stuff that I didn't know. See if I have any. I don't think I have any of them here. Let's find out. Like CD that looks like this Mercury. That is like an early release. They only made that style like early on. So I knew this John Parr was going to be like an original pressing. He actually had a song, I think, what was Santa Was Fire, yeah. But I bought this for 50 cents at Peddler's Junction the other day, and I scanned it, and I think I have it up for like $25 or something like that. And same way with this like Tommy Shaw. This was like, if you look in like where they were made, if you can find any of them that say made in like West Germany, those are considered like, you know, some of the early pressings and some of the best sounding CDs. So anything, a lot of those are early releases, and you know, you might find this Tommy Shaw. My eyes aren't good enough to see the things, and I'm gonna have to have a magnifying glass. But like I said, if this is a Germany one, Tommy Shaw, like, you know, made in somewhere else, might be $5, where this one might be $18.88 because it was an early release. But this is more stuff that I'm kind of getting into, learning the early releases and stuff like that. Like the ones made in Japan and the ones made in Germany are a little bit better. And then there's ones with smooth cases here, if they don't have any lines and they're smooth. And then you open them up sometimes. I don't think I have any here, but if the CD looks like a target, you know, it's like here and here and here there's like lines, and it just looks like, you know, like a thing you'd use to shoot targets at. Those are called target CDs, and those were made early on, and those are very, very valuable. There's some like let's say if this would have been a target one, this might not be maybe that great of a band or something. Let's say the regular CD might be $5, a target CD might be $7 or $8. So sometimes it's like $5 more. But then sometimes, like, let's say it's like you know, you find the Grateful Dead on a Harvest label, early pressing. It might be a Target CD. I don't know if they made a Target CD of that, but you know, it could be a difference of like a $20 CD, and it could make it like a $200 to $2,000 CD. So you want to look out for that kind of stuff. Renee over at Bargain Hunters, he was from Storage Wars. He has a good video on some old CDs, so you might want to check his out. I'll see if I can figure out how to link his video in. But yeah, I was just watching his video the other day, and I was just amazed. You know, I've some of these things I'm getting like, you know, like $15 and $25. I'm putting them on where I would have sold them for like $2 or $3 before, because I didn't realize they were like early pressings and stuff. So, you know, he's made me a lot of money already just in the 50 CDs I bought the other day. But I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know a little bit, try to show you some things, because I know I usually just skip right through the media, and I'm actually called the Media Marauder because, you know, I do have a media store with 30,000 DVDs and CDs and stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit, maybe show you some of that stuff, and help you try to find some stuff. And I'll try to do a little bit more videos like this that might be a little helpful for you guys, instead of just doing, you know, what's sold videos, because I'm sure the what's sold videos get kind of bored. They're just kind of easy to do. My outlook and my strategy on doing YouTube, I don't care if, you know, I make any money. I don't care if I get monetized. I don't care about any of that stuff. Only thing I'm doing, I'm just kind of videoing kind of like my journey, kind of what I'm doing while I'm working and stuff. I'm not making extra special stuff, just to kind of help you guys. So if I can help you a little bit, that would be great. If I don't, I'm sorry I wasted your time, but I'm trying to help you a little bit. But like I said, I just put it out there and show you guys what I'm doing, and hopefully you know, you guys can pick up one or two things that I'm doing that you're not doing maybe, and you can make some extra money. I know I watch a lot of YouTube. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997, and you know, I pick up a little bit of stuff from like every single person. I mean, if you just pick up just one thing from everybody that you watch, if you watch 50 people, you just picked up 50 new things that you're going to be able to do better at or make money on. You know, there's certain people I watch and they turned me on to different things. So I'll make that another video. But I'm going to let you guys go. I'm just rambling on now. But hopefully this helps you guys. Like I said, I'll try to make some more videos for you. Have a good day. And a What Sold video is coming up soon. Have a good one.